10.
Yes, please.
अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ऑनरेबल यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह जी ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया था. उन्होंने बोला था कि केजरीवाल जी का जो हाई कोर्ट से जजमेंट आएगा उसके खिलाफ उनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाना पड़ेगा. उनका कहने का मतलब था कि हाई कोर्ट में मैं केस
There
हारूंगा.
is no pleading to this effect.
No, one more thing.
There is no pleading.
Mr. Mehta, I'll deal with it. Mr. Mehta, I'll deal with it. I don't know what he wants to say. Please sit. Yes. I'll deal with this, please. Yes.
तो उन्होंने कहा कि इस हाई कोर्ट का ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट का जो जजमेंट आएगा केजरीवाल जी को उसके खिलाफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाना ही पड़ेगा. उनका कहने का मतलब ये था कि
So what control I have over what you say or
Okay.
he says or anybody else says?
it's just I'm not saying what he says or
Just say. He states that the home minister of this country, I don't even know them. The home minister of this country has made a statement in what? In some program,
in some TV program.
in a TV program, that when the judgment of this court will come, Shri Kejriwal will have to approach the Supreme
Supreme
Court.
Court against it.
He states that since the home minister has given a statement in a program by someone, मतलब जो भी होगा वो प्रोग्राम का नाम तो बताया, लिखा होगा इसमें, लिखा हुआ इसमें क्या नाम? ये प्लीडिंग में है? प्लीडिंग में नहीं है?
नहीं, प्लीडिंग में नहीं है.
तो प्लीडिंग में नहीं है, then you also, I am, he states at bar कर दो, he states at bar. And then just say that he states that though it is not mentioned in the pleading, but how I say, he states at bar. So he states that this has given rise to apprehension in his mind that this court will not give justice to him.
Right. So, ma'am, these are the 10 reasons. Individually and collectively, they create a very strong suspicion